Because we got a bunch of National Park Rangers that are just retired, and they're all great birders, and they're all embarrassed, angry. It's okay, they're all signed up too. Now he's up. Come on. Just right here. It's gonna be fun tonight. Those are your judges. Wave. Okay, what's your name?
Kip Walton,
Where are you from?
Michigan City, Indiana.
Michigan City, Indiana. You like birds?
I do love birding, yes.
You got a good bird call you like? You got one you don't like?
No, I don't. So, okay, here's what I'm going to do. In honor of my two buddies here. Yeah, come on.
You're number
So,
a whack. You're very ticket.
so us three go on a fishing trip all the time, right? Every year we go on. I know you won't. That's all you'll fish with me. That's all I care about. So we go on a fishing trip every year up north, and we catch northern pike, and they're one of the hardest fish to hold on to once you catch them. Slippery, very slippery. And so we have a call to each other to help out catching, bring those fish in the boat. And the call is.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm JP. Boy. So yeah, it's quite a trip. I have some pictures I can't show you. And it started with this boy way up in Minnesota where we go stay in his cabin. And once caught this northern, Kip had this big northern, and it was finally falling off the hook. And this boy came in, Jim, and he grabbed that sucker like an eagle. And he said something, and it went a little like this.